Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add people to your project in Supabase. First, open the Supabase website in your browser. Sign into your account using your email and password. Once you are logged in, you will see your dashboard. At the top of the screen, click on the organization name. This will take you to your organization settings. Now look at the left side menu. In the left menu, find and click on Team. Once you are inside the Team section, you will see a list of current members in your organization. Here you can manage who has access. Now look for a button called Invite Member. Click on that button. A pop-up window will appear on your screen. Inside this pop-up, you first need to select the role for the new member. You can choose between roles like owner, administrator, or developer. After selecting the role, enter the email address of the person you want to invite. Make sure the email address is correct so the invitation reaches the right person. Once you have selected the role and entered the email address, click on Send Invitation. Supabase will send an email to that person. When they open the email and accept the invitation, they will automatically be added to your organization. Thanks for watching.